Welcome back to all the car enthusiasts out there. What is up, guys? It's your DCS right back again in another Saturday evening. How are you all guys doing? I hope you guys are safe and fine, cause you know the pandemic, the COVID situation. Guys, I just wanted to say that stay home, stay indoors, and stay safe, cause the number of cases are increasing day after day. It's going out of hands, guys. So please stay hygienic and stay at home. Stay safe until it's completely necessary. Just don't step out of your home, you know. Alright guys, leaving that, now it's time to talk about the Hot Wheels series right here. It's got 5 out of 10 in HW Race Day. It's not the same without the Hot Wheels Flame. This car has no detailing at all to talk about. So it's the Dodge Charger stock car, guys. Yes, I'm really not such a huge fan of NASCAR, but you know, it's really cool, it's really fast, and it has the power. So yeah, I just got this car this time, guys. So yeah, leaving all the details aside, let's talk about the last week's video. Well, last week's video was, it was the 1970 Camaro. It was also a good car, guys. Check that out, it'll be popping up on the screen right now. Alright, guys, as we didn't have the quiz last week, obviously, so here it is, guys, the question, here it goes. What is the full form of RWB? Yes, all the Porsche fans out there, if you got the answer, comment it down below. I'll check them out next week, guys. Alright, now let's move on for the unboxing of the Dodge Charger stock car. Alright, out of the box, the Dodge Charger stock car ain't that bad in its detailing, guys, because if you take a closer look, the sponsor stickers on this car are perfectly aligned, and of course I really love the Mopar badging on the hood, and of course on the sides it's a bit crooked, but still the number 6 also gives it a very realistic look, so that's really amazing. I totally forgot about my most favorite part. That's the window tints, the transparent window tints. I really love on this car. And if you take a closer look, this car has a jack post, and also through the driver's perspective on the left side you have a window net. That's really cool attention to detail done by Hot Wheels. Can't say much about the spoiler because it's a NASCAR, and of course I can't brag about the side view mirrors not being there because obviously it's a NASCAR, and of course same goes for the headlamps and the tail lamps. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. And if you ask me about the interior, I can't say much about it either because of the roll cage lines all over the windshield, so can't say much about it, but it's pretty cool, you know. Well, there it is, guys. That's the looks and details. So now let's know something about this Dodge stock car. Let's go for the information. And so, talking about the Dodge Charger stock car, it is the information, guys, and I just wanted to tell that the information which I'm gonna give, it ain't actually precise or accurate, and I've got a very limited amount of information on this car, guys, so really sorry for that. And I'm gonna start off the information with the horsepower. This car packs up to 850 horsepower, which is mandated in NASCAR. And talking about its engine, the engine is actually an electronic fuel injected 5.8 liter V8, guys, which is also mandated in the NASCAR world. Well, moving on to its transmission, they actually say that it's a 4-speed manual transmission, guys. So yeah, there you have it, guys. That's pretty much the information which I've got on this car right here. And I was told that the Dodge was actually banned from NASCAR. It actually happened a long time ago. It was said that the Dodge Charger Daytona was so dominant in NASCAR had to ban it. Like, it was such a fast car, NASCAR had to ban it. The officials determined that it would be an unfair advantage on the NASCAR track. So one answer for it is ban it. Well, I don't think that was the right solution, you know, because like, just because the car is fast, it doesn't mean that they had to just ban it. Well, yeah, guys, that's it. That's the information which I could get on this car, guys. So moving on to the last part, that's the ratings, guys. So I give it an 8 out of 10 in the ratings, considering all the information and all. I give it an 8 out of 10, guys. Comment your ratings below and your opinion on this car. I'll check them out. And also, comment your answers for the quiz of today, you know. Well, guys, here it is, the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you know what to do. So I'll see you all next week, guys. Stay tuned for my next week's video. Bye-bye. Enjoy your weekend and also stay safe.